Welcome to Vispa's video tutorial. I'm Daniel, a computerized voice that will guide you through this tutorial. Feel free to pause the video as you follow the steps. This video guides you through the process of upgrading your Netis router's firmware. It's important to use the latest firmware as it fix any software bugs and improve your Vispa experience. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to support.vispa.net.uk. Click on Knowledge Base. On the right-hand menu, choose the broadband category. Select the Netis Firmware Updated version 2.1.615 article. On the article attachment, download the .bin firmware file. Now let's open the router's web admin page. Open a new tab and navigate to 192.168.1.1. Log into the Netis router. The default username is guest and the default password is guest. If these details do not work, contact our support team for help. On the front page you can see the currently loaded firmware version. If the firmware version you have downloaded is newer than the displayed version, i.e. a higher number, continue. From the top menu, choose Maintenance. Click Choose File and select the bin file which you downloaded in the previous step, then click Upload and confirm. Your Netis router will begin upgrading and will take around 120 seconds. Under no circumstances power off the router at this stage as it will render it broken. Once complete, your router will restart and prompt you to log back in. The default username is guest and the password is guest. You can now verify the new firmware version. In this case we have loaded version 2.1.615. Scroll down the page and you can verify your router is once again connected to the Vispa network and assigned an IP address. Open a new tab and verify that you can browse to a web page. Congratulations, you have now updated your Netis router to the latest firmware version. We hope this video tutorial has been informative. Thank you for watching.